be able to know the human, she's always been one of my idols. And then for her to pick me to do this is beyond a blessing, a dream, an honor. I do not take it lightly. And I just want to give every bit of my all to pay tribute to her.
I got a single by this new chick named Aretha Franklin.
I think all of us have been influenced with her musically, so paying homage to that. That's what it's about. That's the importance of telling the stories of the legends and the icons that are timeless, to make sure that it carries on for generations and generations to come. And then I think it gives a little bit more when you can add the subtext of the life, of the story, of the human, and you can't help but to be inspired by that.
She's a miracle.